So this is Mr. Richmond, Judge, and he is elected to represent himself this morning.
Yeah, she can't represent me.
Mr. Richmond, is that true? You wish to proceed without counsel?
No, I'd like a lawyer that's competent, actually.
Do you have any specific concerns about Ms. Talline's competency?
Yeah, she won't even give me the time to explain myself and formulate a reasonable defense. Furthermore, when I asked her to take a picture of evidence at the courthouse, when I was not allowed, she refused. She walked right past it. That's not cool.
Have you been able to have meaningful discussions with her about your case?
No, I told her I needed to meet in person outside of the courthouse, and this was not accommodated for under any reasonable situation.
Judge, I will let you know at that time I was actually not representing Mr. Richmond because at that time he was out of custody and I had not been appointed on his case.
He's asking, I think I have a lot of discretion in a situation like this. He's asking that I appoint another lawyer. Do you have a position on that request? I don't think I need to find whether there's a competent counsel or not. I think if there's a communication issue between the two of you, I think I can simply have you removed and then appoint somebody else. But I am not making a finding of incompetency because that's not consistent with my history with you.
I do think we are having a communication issue at this point, so I wouldn't object to the court appointing different counsel for that reason.
The priorities are clear, sir, and I am not a priority for Ashley. That is my stance. We just simply don't see eye to eye on our interpretation of the Constitution. I think it's plain as day, black and white. She sees gray.
You're released with thanks to the court, ma'am. Thank you. All right, Mr. Richmond, Tuesday at 8:30 in the morning, you come in and fill out an application for court-appointed counsel. And do you have any questions, sir?
Are skateboards allowed in the courthouse or not?
Gosh, I don't know. I don't know.
It's my understanding.
Bring it in.
I do know from personal knowledge that there is a specifically oriented skateboard and scooter rack immediately in front of the courthouse.
That is my concern, sir. You can't reasonably lock up a skateboard, as I pointed out in December, which led to some of these problems.
Well, I have to say, Mr. Richmond, I've been doing this for about 19 years. Nobody's ever asked me that question. That's why I don't know the answer to it.
Yeah.
Not interested in causing additional problems for you, but maybe...
that is my mode of transit, so it does directly affect me, and I understand it is a rare thing.
As well. I walk to places too, so if it's going to create additional problems for you, we always got our feet as an alternative. We'll see you on Tuesday morning.
Are you requesting that I not bring a skateboard, sir?
I don't care whether you ride a skateboard or not, but if they're not permitted in the courthouse, you're not going to bring it in the courthouse. And if that's going to present problems for you and somebody's going to steal it, I mean, you're going to have to
Precisely, sir. By employing that rule, you're opening me up to clear and easy theft.
Clear and easy, I'm sorry?
You're opening me up to very easy theft, as you can't reasonably lock up a skateboard like you can a bike.
Well, theft, I see. You'll have to problem solve. I'd like to drive to court in a Rolls Royce. I don't get to do that. So if you're not going to skateboard, maybe you can just walk on your feet here. Look forward to seeing you.
I presume you won't mind me camping on the premises then.
You have a good day. I'll see you Tuesday. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well.